Hello everyone, greetings, and I'm going to be showing you how to break down your airsoft pistols and also to lube them up. So, to do that, this is a Glock 17. It's modified, so it's not stock, but first off, you release the mag, okay? If you do not know how to release the mag release. And then, if you pull the slide, it just goes straight forward, okay? You pull this right here down, slide back, and then forward. Comes out. Okay? Now, take your lubricant that you choose to use. Okay? The hammer back here might need a tiny bit as well. So just put a drop or two in the hammer. And you're going to want some on the slide here. Okay? Right here on the slide. So just a drop, you don't know much. All right. And then after that, take yourself a cloth. Now I'm going to do this because you don't want to do anything. All right. So pull forward. Your chamber here. I'm going to clean this guy right here. This right there. Just clean it off a little bit and give it a drop of lube. Okay. Okay. That is going to help with your kickback. All right. When you put it back together, you want to make sure that everything lines up. So right here, it's going to line up really good. And you don't even do anything, just pull straight back. All right. Perfect. And again, and put that one aside. Now, eliteforce 1911, this is the same as your high kappas, okay? You pull it back after the mag is out. Safety is off. Pull it back to about here. Okay, then you're going to push out this pin. Okay, that right there. Then once you release, there you go. Now I'm going to do a drop on the hammer right there. Okay, then you want to do all the metal bits right here. Okay, just a couple drops, not a lot. All right. And you're going to do the same thing here. Pull this back. Just a drop of lube right there. Okay. And I'm going to put, because this is a little older pistol, a drop of lube here and here. Okay. And going back together. Slide on there. Pull it back. There is a hole there. This is going to line up in, okay? Right there. Ignore me struggling, guys. Perfect. See how much smoother that is already? Okay. Alright. Alright, guys. And that is your quick tip by Shadow Dragon. Peace.